Franklin and the Thunderstorm. Franklin could count by twos and tie his shoes. He could name the months of the year and all the seasons. He could read the thermometer, and he checked the barometer every day. Franklin worried about the weather because he was afraid of storms. There's Franklin. One day, Franklin was supposed to play at Fox's house, but the sky was getting dark and the clouds were thick. "Maybe I shouldn't go," Franklin said to his mother. She looked out the window. "It probably won't rain until later," she said. "You have time to get to Fox's." Franklin put on his boots and took the umbrella. As Franklin hurried to Fox's house, he kept looking at the sky. The clouds moved quickly, and wind swirled dirt in the air. Franklin felt all jumpy inside.